Okay, the next question we need to answer is, what is the end behavior of a polynomial? Well, it's hard to define it, but the end behavior of a polynomial function is the behavior of the graph of f of x, just like this one right down here, as x approaches both negative infinity or positive infinity. Okay? So let's just say we have this f of x function, and let's just say this is the graph of it down here. It's not really, but let's just say it is. Well, what we need to figure out is what's happening to the function as it goes to negative infinity way over here, and what's happening as it goes to positive infinity way over here. Well, let's just take a look at the graph. As it goes this way, what's happening in the graph? Is it going to negative infinity? Well, it's just falling. So as it goes to negative infinity, it's going down. It's falling. And what's happening as it goes to positive infinity? What's happening when it goes that way? Well, it looks like it's rising, and it keeps on going up, and it's going to go up forever. So as it goes to positive infinity, it is rising. But you know what I think is, I'll put falling over here. What I think is even more interesting than what's it doing at the end behavior, what's it doing in the middle here? Isn't this stuff crazy? Look at it go up and down and all this other stuff. What's going on there? Why does it go up and down and up and down? Well, I like to think of this as something like Superman. As Superman gets further and further away from Krypton, is that right? Krypton? Yeah. From the kryptonite, he gets more powerful. As closer he gets to kryptonite, he gets weaker. Well, in this function right up here, we have this x to the fifth and 3.5x to the fourth minus 2.5x to the third minus 125x plus 1.5x plus 9. When you have that, these terms, each term here, this term and this term and this term, they have different strengths at different points. And at some point, this 1.5 is stronger than this x squared term, which might be stronger than this term at some point. And because it's stronger, it takes over and changes the direction of this polynomial. And that's what makes it so curvy. Because of each term is more powerful at a certain point. But what happens is at some point, this x to the fifth is really powerful, and that's what determines this end behavior. This term, the term of the highest degree, determines the end behavior. We're going to talk more about how we can use that in the next problem.